What does a woman really want? Hey, women are so complicated in nature. So, what really does a woman want? Now, I'm going to narrow this down to relationship, okay? Gifts, okay? Please. I will also narrow it down to what African woman or what African women really want or a Nigerian woman really wants in a relationship. Say, most times it's not about your gifts. We talk about birthdays, Thanksgivings, anniversary, and the rest of them. No, they don't need chocolates. We are not chocolate women. We are not women of flowers. Well, you can give us chocolate and flowers. However, you must back it up with something. And we're talking about money. Okay? So if you are planning on dating a Nigerian woman or an African woman, please know that we are somehow wired differently from the Western women. Chocolate is not enough. Flour is not enough. Please, we need money, cash, or transfer. Or you can buy us tangible gifts. Okay? So, kindly note this and note this.